Basic querying. This tutorial will show you how to perform a simple search or query in Integra. Each screen in Integra has both a form view and a list view. To perform a new query, you need to be in Form View, and then you need to click on the binoculars icon in the toolbar. You can also go to the File menu option and select New Query. Queries can be performed by entering search criteria in any number of fields and across any number of tabs. The criteria you enter can include a keyword or a combination of keywords, or a value from a drop-down list. Then simply enter the data or criteria into each required field. Let's try some examples in the Individuals screen. If you are searching for a contact or a person, enter their surname in the surname field. When you are in query mode, you'll notice that Integra is not case sensitive. When you have entered your criteria, click on the green tick in the toolbar or use the Enter key on your keyboard to run the query. The number of records returned will be displayed in the white boxes in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. The main information of the first contact returned is displayed on the screen. Use the Next button in the toolbar to look at the next record in your query set. Use the Previous button to go back to the first record. In Form View, you are looking at one record at a time, but you can see everything about that record in each of the tabs. If you want to see your results displayed as a list, you need to click on the List View icon in the toolbar. You can then search through this list to find the record you are looking for. When you are in List View, you can also perform several other functions, like sorting the data, but this is covered in a separate tutorial. Let's perform another simple query. To do this, you need to be in Form View, so click on the Form View icon. Click on the binoculars to start a new query, then enter the criteria in the required fields. In this example, we'll enter data into more than one field to narrow down our search further. When you have entered all the required data, click on the green tick in the toolbar or the Enter key on your keyboard. You'll notice that we now have fewer records than before. Again, you can look at these in List View if you like. In the next example, we'll enter data into another tab as well, the Location tab. Click on the binoculars to start a new query, then enter the criteria in the required fields. Click on the green tick or hit the Enter key on your keyboard to run the query. Again, you'll see that there are fewer records than in our original search. You can also use the drop-down list to bring back groups of records. Click on the binoculars again to start a new search, and then click on the Membership tab. From the drop-down list on the Membership Status field, select Active, then select Membership Class as Graduate. Click on the green tick or hit the Enter key on your keyboard to run the query. You can see how many records have been returned. Now let's run this query again, but we'll narrow down the search further by also selecting a membership grade. When you have entered all your criteria, click on the green tick or hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You can see that the result set has fewer records again. These can be looked at in List View.